Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Today I want to show you why I switch from MetaMask to SafePal and why now SafePal is my top choice to protect my crypto assets. First off, I think SafePal is extremely convenient. This is a free app. You can use it in your computer, you can install it in your phone. It's super versatile and it lets you manage all type of networks in one place. That means we don't need to switch between different wallets to check our Solana, our SUI tokens, IRO tokens, meme coins. It's like having everything organized in one single app, which is a game changer for me. And it's not only the convenience, but also the security. They have a hardware wallet. That's the one that I've been using for over a year now. It's very small, have the size of a credit card, but the most important is secure and is user friendly. Easier than any other hardware wallet that you can find out there. It has one of the strongest systems to protect your assets from any online threats. It's supporting over 30,000 different coins and tokens across multiple blockchains. We can integrate any network with only one click. You know, with MetaMask, it's a different process. And even after you follow the whole process, in the end, the connection doesn't work. So with SafePal, we won't have the problem. We can easily check all our balances from all the networks in one single place. We can manage our NFTs. If you are using liquidity pools, you can preview all of that inside your SafePal wallet. That's why, guys, that's the best option. There is no other, I'm telling you. And what I'm going to do during this video is simple. You will see how to transfer your old MetaMask wallet into SafePal. That way you can not only start to use all the features inside this simple app, no more bugs, no more importing tokens, no more adding networks, no more issues trying to connect with some protocols out there. And on top of that, we're going to have great security. So this is what I'm going to show you. Before we go there, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. I will really appreciate your support. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Hey, by the way, if probably you want to get the hardware wallet, I have a voucher here in my website. The link to my website, you will find it in the description. Once you are here, you can just scroll down until you find the deal codes. Here is the SafePal voucher. With this one, you can purchase the SafePal if you want to get the hardware wallet, and they will not charge you the shipping, and you can request it from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is click in this banner, and there you have it. It's only $50 to protect your assets, and they will send it to you from anywhere in the world. The free shipping is going to be added once you are doing the checkout. But anyways, if you don't want this, if you only want the wallet extension or the phone app, what you're going to do is scroll down until the end. And right here where it says products, you're going to click in SafePal app. And then you're going to click in download now. You can scan this code to download the app. You also have it in Apple Store. You have it in Google Play. You have the app for Android. If you want to install it in your computer, just click right here in browser. And you have these three options. I'm going to install it right here in Chrome. Add extension. I'm going to pin the wallet here on my browser so I can access it easily. All right, when you open the wallet, you're going to receive a message. Just click in Get Started. Now they're going to ask you if you want to create a wallet or you want to import one. I'm going to import my old MetaMask wallet into SafePal, so I'm going to select this option. I need to create a password. Once you do that, click Next. I already went to my MetaMask wallet and copied the private key. The way to get your MetaMask private key is simple. Logging into MetaMask, clicking the three dots right here in the right side, clicking Account Details, clicking Show Private Key, enter your password, confirm, clicking Hold to reveal private key, copy it and paste it in your notepad because we're going to use it in the next step. I'm going to paste it right here and then I will choose the network, BNB Smart Chain. So let's go, paste, and next. Your wallet is ready to use. I need to give it a name, so I will call it Leaders SafePal and clicking confirm. Congratulations, clicking next. Here is where we can see all our coins, our NFTs, our liquidity pools, if you have any. That's a feature that I really like. Send, receive, swap. If you click in this button, you will see all the different networks and you can just click in this plus to add it to your list of favorite networks. If you want to see all your balances in the different networks, you can select all. If you want only one specific network, let's say only BNB, you just click in that one and confirm. That's how easy we can add networks. If you want to add your tokens, your coins, you want to click in these three dots, click in manage coins, type the name of the token that you want to use. Let's see, we want to add USDT in the BIP20 network. All right, so we got it right there. Super easy to use, and the rest works exactly the same as MetaMask. Let me show you right here in the phone app some other features. The first icon in the bottom is the wallet. The second icon is the marketplace. The third icon is the explorer. And just like MetaMask, this is where we are going to connect to different protocols. We have a search bar, and I'm going to show you how to connect to MedBridge. I'm going to type in the search bar medbridge.com. Now I click go. I get this message that says switch to BSC network. I'm going to do that. Now I can sign in. Okay. And we are inside MedBridge. This is how we can import our old MetaMask wallet to SafePal. I hope this video was helpful. If that's so, I will appreciate your likes. I will appreciate your comments. If you have any extra questions, come and find me on Telegram. The link is in the description. And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Thank you so much for your company, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.